Massey Ferguson 165 reconstruction already done with the engine and the gearbox. We put in good tires there, just left with final touches. The engine looking so good with a new alternator there. We put new filters. As you can see, the engine was redone and is so dry. Just left with doing the seat, the steering looking good. So we are good to go. Everything working well here. Hydraulics, as you can see, the harness already put a new one. Leveling box looking good. It's really looking perfect. Complete with a new battery there. We are just left with putting the bonnet and we are done.